Well, I got this cleaned out, so I can use that someday. And let me start on this one. This is a part off of a water heater. It was a water bug sensor, and I replaced it, but it didn't fix it, so I had to get a new water heater. That will go in my plumbing stuff. Got a nice little light, which I'll keep my oddball stuff. Here's like some kind of a wrench. I'll give that to Salvation Army. These here are for electrical conduit, and I'm going to save those. I'll probably be using those. Here's a cap to something which worthless. Another oddball nail. I don't know how interesting this video is, or has been, or was, but I'm having fun making it. I like straightening things up. Washers. So all these washers can go in here. It's so bad I got all these drawers, like that one. Just trying to finish up here, get it so halfway close to be putting up above. I'm not going to put too much littler stuff in here until I have a place to put this thing permanently, and then this one next to it. I think they can be stacked. Yeah, that fits in there, but I'm not going to, because I don't have any shelf space that tall, and I want to do them right. These are electrical. Oddball stuff I'll put over here, and this right down through here. Wire nuts. Hope someone in the future appreciates my penmanship. And that'll go up here. This will be odd stuff. So I'm trying to figure out here now is this stuff I'm going to put from in here into here. And then I might just keep this mostly just for the odd stuff. Like this here is just a bunch of bolts and screws. This one is a bunch of screws, but they're more like machine screws or metal screw stuff. And these are just odds and ends. That's for a saw, a hand saw. It's one of the little pins or bolts or screws or whatever that holds the handle on the blade. Got to kind of go through and separate them a little bit. That's why I'm glad I have these. But the oddball stuff I want to try to keep in here, but I want to be able to keep it together. Yeah, there's just different kinds of screws. Going to get right in here tight. You just see the different things have different bolts and nuts and stuff like these. What I'm going to try to do is go through these, maybe expand these a little bit. Some of the stuff I could probably use in my guitar stuff. Yeah, that's a RCA plug. Little spade connectors and stuff. I have some more in the other shed. Take those out and put in the oddball drawer. You have these, which I don't know why I keep them. Some more oddball things. These are electrical. It's for like telephone or cable TV cable to attach to the house. This is for electrical. Yeah, I've got more stuff than I've got places to put them. Oops. My microphone in. So let's start down here. Okay, this one here is empty. Okay, this is rubber grommets and stuff. I didn't even know I had those. That'll come in handy. And what's this? Oh, I think this is from a set of points on a car, like an old Chevy. I think that's what that is. Anybody out there needs that, let me know. Probably off a 57 Chevy that I used to have. Where'd I put those? Well, that's weird. The little is the wire deals. Where'd I put those? Here we go. These little nails go through these, which hold wires on. So that's what those are. Those need to go into here. And this goes in here. I'm going to have to start a smaller odds and ends one. I found some more springs. Electrical. Yeah, this is all electrical. I have to go to a larger drawer. Yeah, I was going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, this will be electrical stuff. This is for telephone cabling. That I'll keep that. Never know. I'll go through this piece by piece. I don't know why I keep these. I guess there must be a reason. Flat angle iron or connectors. Somebody's going to appreciate me going through all this. Might even be me. Washers. Well, sometimes it's just nice just to do stuff you want to do and not worry about stuff. Well, I've got a lot of this cleaned up, but still have a little bit to go. That going oddball drawer, that might come in handy sometime.
Thank you for watching Gems. If it ain't broke, fix it. The next video will keep you on the edge of your chair, so don't miss it. Oh, by the way, the red guitar is finished in an upcoming video.